Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account on Audiomack to listen to music offline for free. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you are in, and search for Audiomack right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this application, download and install it onto your device, and click on open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is click on create account, go ahead and enter a artist name that you want to go ahead and listen to, or you can just skip it. You can simply go ahead and select your age right over here, whatever it could be. Simply go ahead and select your gender, and then it's going to take you to this page where you can continue with Facebook, Apple, Google, or your email. Simply go ahead and enter your email. Click on next. It's going to ask you to go ahead and create a password. And once you've done that, they're going to send you a verification code to the email that you provided that you'll have to put back in the application, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.